Greetings to all the viewers. This is Visalakshi Ilango of English through Tamil. நமது ப்ரீவியஸ் லிங்கில் கூறியது போல இங்கிலீஷ் லாங்குவேஜை கிளாஸ் ரூம் அட்மாஸ்பியரில் லேர்ன் பண்ணுவது போல் இல்லாமல் இன்று கேஜி கிளாஸ் ரைம்ஸ் மூலம் ஒக்காபுலரியை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். ரியலி இட் இஸ் அ ஃபன் டு லேர்ன் ஒக்காபுலரி த்ரூ 2 டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ரைம்ஸ். தமிழ் ஆல்ஃபபெட்ஸை கற்றுக் கொடுக்க அம்மா இங்கே வா வா ஆசை முத்தம் தாத்தா என்ற தமிழ் ரைமை போல மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் ஸ்கூலில் டேஸ் ஆஃப் த வீக்கை கற்றுக் கொடுக்க சாலமன் கிரண்டி born on Monday, christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, took ill on Thursday, was on Friday, died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. This is the end of Solomon Grundy என்று கற்றுக் கொடுப்பார்கள். நமக்கு சண்டே டு மண்டே அத்துப்படி என்பதால் அதை விடுத்து லைன் பை லைன் அனலைஸ் பண்ணி ஒக்காபுலரியை இங்கிலீஷ் மீனிங் மற்றும் தமிழ் மீனிங்குடன் ஸ்டடி பண்ணலாம். இஸ் இட் ஓகே ஃபார் யூ? இன் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன், Solomon Grundy born on Monday. Born means come or exist. பிறப்பு. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd. The next line is christened on Tuesday. Christened means baptized or named in the church. In Tamil, பேர் வைத்தல் or நாமகரணா. Jan christened her baby in the Goa church. I have the plan to christen the baby on Sunday. Next line, married on Wednesday. That is, Grundy gets married on Wednesday, then took ill on Thursday. Ill means sick. உடல் நிலை சரியில்லாமல் போவது. The term ill is different from fever because fever means காய்ச்சல் alone. Shanti is ill, the baby is sick. So there is a difference between Shanti's illness and the baby's sickness. The next line is was on Friday. Worse means bad condition. The book is in worst condition. Your behavior is worst. The next line, died on Saturday. That is, Grundy had died. So, he was buried on Sunday. Buried means covered under the earth. That is, புதைத்தல். Rani buried her dog in the garden. The pandemic patients were buried separately. This is the end of Solomon Grundy. Solomon Grundyயை அடுத்து வருபவர்கள் ஜாக் அண்ட் ஜில். Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack got up and home did trot as fast as he could caper to old Dam Dob, who patched his knob with vinegar and brown paper. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. The new vocabulary in this rhyme are Jack and Jill went up the hill. Hill means mount, kundru, an elevation from the earth. The term hill is different from the term mountain. Mountain, malai. Mountain is bigger in size than hill. My house is near the hill. Mount Everest is in Himalayas. The next line, to fetch a pail of water. Pail means bucket. Vali. Fill the pail. Bring the pail here. Fetch is a poetic slang. It means bring. Kondu varudal. Fetch me a dozen apples. Fetch me the rare collections from Rome. The next line is, Jack fell down and broke his crown. Crown here means his reputation or popularity. That is, Jack spoiled his name. The next line is, Jill came tumbling after. Tumble means collapse. Thalai kuppura viludal. Tumble veru, falling down veru. Falling down means கீழே விழுதல். The old lady tumbled. Raj fell down from the coconut tree. Then we have, Jack got up and home did trot. Trot means run, ஓடுதல். Raj trot towards the house. Raj run towards the house. The next line is, as fast as he could caper. The term caper means hop, H-O-P, hop, or jump or run. That is kudittal. Kumar capered in the playground. Ronnie capered out of joy. The next line is, to old damn dog. It is the name of the servant. Who patched his knob? Patched means attached or repaired. That is, ஒட்டு வேலை. The cobbler patched the shoe. Cobbler is a person who works with the leather. The mason patched the tiles. Mason is a person who does the civil work. Knob is the next vocabulary. Knob means a sensitive part of a boy. As Kumar has problems in his knob, he couldn't get married. I hope you enjoyed the method of learning vocabulary through the rhymes. I enjoyed a lot because it gives me the opportunity to learn more and more. Please pass your comments lavishly. It will be useful for the betterment of the channel. Thank you and meet you all soon.